This is the Bulldog ZN5025 and the model number for this drill press is ZY5035A.
Before operation of the drill press, you have to make sure safety glasses are worn, all loose hair is tied back, no jewelry, and no loose fit clothing. Before making any adjustments to the drill press, make sure the power is turned off. Make sure you choose the correct size drill bit. An incorrect size of drill bit causes personal injury. Also, make sure the piece of work is properly clamped.
Before operating the drill press, make sure all the safety cords are engaged. Before operating the drill press, make sure the area around the machine is clear and you're well aware of your surroundings.
For this drill press, to change the speed, you use these two levers. To find the recommended speed, you find the drill bit size and the type of metal, and you refer to the chart above.
For this drill press, a chuck key is not required, but before using the machinery, make sure the drill bit is tightened properly. Before operating the drill press, make sure the drill bit is aligned with the piece of work. To align it with the piece of work, you can move the table side to side or up and down. After drilling, your piece of work may be odd due to friction. To prevent this, you drill in small increments and use lubrication.
If maintenance is required for the drill press, refer to the owner's manual and report the maintenance required to the instructor, as safety is the #1 priority in the shop.
After watching all these procedures, this is the proper way of using the drill press. After you know the machine, make sure the work is clean for the next person to use, as is a concrete cleaning shop.